Hello guys, welcome to our HTML and CSS tutorial from scratch. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about HTML and CSS. My name is Richard, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be able to get the rest of the videos. So let's start doing something. Enough of the talking. Hello guys, welcome to HTML and CSS tutorial from scratch number 3. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to bold a text, how to italize a text, and then how to give comments in your website that the users of the website will not see, but you, the owner of the website, will see. Okay, so let's start doing something. We save this thing, then we run it and see what we have. Okay, this is our page that we have. We want to do some editing in our page. Let's say with this is my first website. We want to paragraph it. Okay, we want to give it a paragraph element, and then we paragraph it. So we just write paragraphing and good morning mommy. Okay, now after paragraphing, because everything is congested, we want to break it. Okay, or let's show a line under it. Let's show a line under it. Okay, so HR house in the rule, and then you realign, and then good morning mommy was also part of the congestion. So let's say we're going to break it. Okay, we break it, give it a breaking element, which is the br spaces slash, and then close it. Now let's see whatever we have done now and see what we've done. We go ahead and save it, and then we come back to our browser, then we run it and see what we've done. Okay, that is what I wanted to do. Now to be able to bold a text, what you need, or the element you need to bold a text, is your less than sign, then the greater than sign, then the less than sign again slash, and then the greater than sign. In the first opening tag, what you write there is strong. Okay, wherever you want to bold the text, what you write there is strong, and then behind the slash sign you use the closing or the ending tag, so you still write strong again in whatever you want to write there. Okay, assuming I want to bold my email, I just go ahead and write less than sign, then I write strong. Okay, when I write strong, I just close it again. Then in front of it is where the ending tag will be. So where the ending tag will be here, then write it strong again. Okay, then remember to bring the slash sign because that means we are ending. Okay, and then you write it here. Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, and then you write it here. So when you write it there, now when we save this thing and we go back to our browser and then we run it, look at the email. The email, you see that all the texts are a little bit lighter, but the email is bold. Okay, so that is how to bold your text, or that's how to bold a text. Maybe you're writing and then you want to emphasize on something. Maybe you're writing a newspaper and you want to give emphasis on something, or you want to bold something for people to know that you mean this word or something. Then this is how you do it. You just have to put it, assuming maybe I want to bold this line, just go ahead and write my strong, and then I write my strong, and then I close it. From this end, I want to bold it maybe up to this place, then my less than sign, then slash, then strong again. Okay, then greater than sign. Now when we go ahead and save this thing, let's see what happens. You realize that all the tests that I have started learning German is bolded in the web browser to like my light, man. Okay, so if you want to bold any text on your website or your web browser, that is how to bold it. Okay, so to be able to make it look so different among the others, I'll just go ahead and then I'll bring my paragraph in here. Okay, I can bring my paragraph in here and then I close it here. Now whatever I'll do, I'll bring the paragraph in here too, and then I close it there. I'm just trying to tell you something that we can write two or more code or element on the same line and it will work perfectly. Okay, it will work perfectly without any mistake. So this is how to build your test, and we can write two or more code on the same line. Just that you have to monitor it and then know how you are writing it. Okay, so remember I just put it in front of this and then I end it in front of this, and that is how to do it. Okay, so you can bring your slash sign here too to show that this code is for this. Okay, but if you don't bring the slash sign, it knows that you're talking about this and this, but if you bring this, it knows that it starts from here and end here. But when you bring the slash sign here, then you tell it that it's for this. Okay, so it's for the paragraphing. Okay, this code is only for the paragraphing, and then this code is for making it bold, all that is in the paragraph. Now let's go to how to italize your test. To be able to italize your test, what you need to know or what you need to do is the element for italizing, and the element for italizing is the em element. Okay, so you write your less than sign and then the greater than sign, the less than sign again slash, and then the greater than sign, and then the first opening tag, what you do is you put em, and the slash behind the slash you put em, and boom, this is what we are going to do. Now assuming I want to italize ball rolling, I just go ahead and then bring my less than sign and put in em, then I bring my greater than sign, then where I want to end it, I just bring my less than sign again, then the slash em, and then I bring my greater than sign. Okay, now let's save this and then see what we are going to have. When we save this and then we run it, if you realize that with the ball rolling has been italized from all the other elements, if you can watch it very well, with the ball rolling has been italized from all the other elements. Okay, now we can also bold it for you to know that what we've done has been italized. So to be able to build it, we go back and where the em is, you just put in strong. Okay, we can also bold what we have italized by just writing strong here. So all that you have to know is the less than sign, strong, and then the greater than sign. Now you end it here. Okay, you end it behind it, right? So you write a less than sign, then your slash, then strong again. Okay, then you bring your greater than sign. Okay, so when you tap on strong, you know that the strong ends there. So let's say whatever we have done and see. When you run it, and boom, you see ball rolling has been italized, and at the same time it is very bold. You understand? So that is how to italize a text. If you are writing on your web browser and you want to italize a text, that's how to italize a text. Now to give a comment in your web browser, the element that we use to give a comment is, if you want to give a comment, so this one is for bolding, bolding, bolding a text, and then this one is used to italize a test. Okay, now the element we can use for giving comment is the slash sign, the less than sign, and bring this mark, the exclamation mark. When you bring the exclamation mark, then you bring the dash, no, not dash. Okay, and whatever you want to put, you write the comment you want to put in here. When you put in the comment, then you bring the dash again, then you close it by writing the greater than sign. Now whatever you write here, assuming maybe I will add date I did this to the program. Okay, whatever we write here, when we save it, it will never appear on our web browser. Okay, it will never appear. Okay, bolding text, italize text. Alright, right. It will never appear on our web browser. So the users of the web browser will not see those things. But because this one is the body of the element, and everything right in the body appears, also it will appear. Right. So whatever we put here, it will never appear. Assuming maybe I want to say I will write my date that I started doing this, or maybe I will color I will color I will color the text blue when I'm done. When I am done. When you write here, nobody sees it. Okay, but whenever you open the browser, you'll be able to see it nicely. And then you know that the text you want to make the text blue. Then you change the text to blue. In the next tutorials to come, and as CSS tutorials, I'll teach you how to change the color of your text and then the color of your background, everything, how to add pictures, how to add images, how to link your website to other website, and how to link your email to your website, and a lot of things. So that is how to bold a text, to italize a text, and also to give comment in coding or programming your website. Okay, thank you for watching the tutorial. Make sure you click on the thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and subscribe to the channel so that whenever I put a new video, you'll be able to get a notification. Make sure you click on the bell too. Okay, if you have the bell, if you're using a machine or a phone on Android, make sure you click on the bell so that you get a notification whenever I post in a new video. Thank you for watching. As I always say, practice makes perfect, so make sure you practice them more. Thank you. Bye. MTech Spy Tech. Spy technology to make learning easy and simple.